Happy holidays, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about making the most of the holiday season without breaking the bank. The holidays are all about family, friends, and making warm memories. But sometimes the pressure to create those moments can lead to overspending. With a little planning and creative thinking, you can have a joyful holiday season without financial worries. Let's get started. This holiday season, give the gift of support. A simple like and subscribe can brighten our day and show your appreciation for our content. It's a free and easy way to spread some holiday cheer and help us continue creating the videos you love. So, this year, consider giving the gift of a like and subscribe. It's a thoughtful gesture that will keep on giving all year long. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is create a budget. Think of it as a plan for your money, helping you decide where your dollars should go. Start by figuring out how much you can realistically afford to spend this holiday season. List out all potential holiday expenses: gifts, decorations, travel, food, etc. Assign a spending limit to each category. This is your roadmap to staying on track and avoiding financial surprises come January. Now, let's talk about setting spending limits for each category on our list. Look at each category: gifts, decorations, food, and decide on a realistic amount you can spend. Write those limits down and keep them somewhere visible, like on your fridge or phone. It's a great visual reminder to help you stay accountable. Who doesn't love a good deal? I know I do. This chapter is all about becoming a discount detective. Sign up for email lists and loyalty programs for exclusive discounts and early access to sales. Use coupons from online, newspapers, and apps. Don't forget about clearance sections. Some of the best holiday finds are often at a fraction of the original price. Some of the most meaningful gifts aren't the ones with the biggest price tags. Let's explore some creative and budget-friendly gift-giving ideas. Homemade gifts like cookies, scarves, or personalized artwork come straight from the heart. Consider the gift of an experience, like movie tickets, a cooking class, or a day trip. These create lasting memories and are often more budget-friendly. Gift cards to favorite stores or restaurants allow loved ones to treat themselves. Let's talk about self-care and protecting your financial well-being. It's easy to get caught up in the holiday whirlwind of parties and gift exchanges. But remember, you don't have to say yes to everything. It's okay to politely decline invitations or requests for gifts if they don't fit into your budget. Your friends and family will understand. Saying no to some things allows you to say yes to what truly matters. Credit cards. They can make it easy to overspend, especially during the holidays. This chapter is about putting those credit cards on a holiday break and embracing cash. Using cash makes you more mindful of your spending. Set a cash budget for your holiday shopping. Withdraw the amount for each category, and once it's gone, it's gone. This simple strategy can prevent post-holiday credit card bills. The holidays are a time for joy, but it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. Be mindful when spending. Before you buy anything, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this? Or, will this bring me lasting joy? If the answer is no, put it back. It's not worth derailing your financial goals. Remember, the holidays are about spending time with loved ones and creating memories. We've reached the end of our holiday budgeting journey. I'm so proud of you for taking this step towards financial wellness. By following these tips, you've given yourself the gift of financial peace of mind. So go ahead, relax, and enjoy the season knowing that you've got this. Happy holidays from our family to yours. I hope you found these tips helpful for a budget-friendly holiday season. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiration. Have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.